Welcome to the video. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of Galileo FX, an automated trading platform designed to simplify and optimize your trading experience. If you're looking for a tool to help you automate your trades, you might be curious about what Galileo FX has to offer. In this review, we'll discuss its features, pros and cons, and whether it's worth your investment. So let's get started. What is Galileo FX? Galileo FX is an automated trading software that works with various brokers and trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The platform uses advanced algorithms and pre-built strategies to execute trades on your behalf based on market data and trends. The main goal is to automate trading so you don't have to constantly monitor the markets. Key features: automated trading. The standout feature of Galileo FX is its fully automated trading system. Once set up, you can choose a strategy, and the software will handle all the trades for you, saving you time and effort. Customizable strategies. The platform offers several trading strategies that you can customize according to your trading style and risk tolerance. Whether you're a conservative trader or more aggressive, there's a strategy that can cater to your needs. User-friendly interface. Galileo X is designed with a straightforward interface that makes it accessible even for beginners. You don't need to be a trading expert to get started, which is a huge plus. Backtesting. Options. Before you go live, you can backtest your chosen strategies using historical data. This helps you evaluate how a strategy would have performed in the past, giving you confidence before risking real money. Real-time data analysis. The software analyzes market data in real time, allowing it to make informed trading decisions. This means you can capitalize on market movements without needing to sit in front of your computer all day. Pros. Now, let's discuss some of the pros of using Galileo FX. Time saving. By automating your trading, you can save hours that would otherwise be spent analyzing charts and executing trades manually. Accessibility. The user-friendly interface makes it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate and utilize the platform. Flexible strategies. The ability to customize trading strategies allows users to adapt to changing market conditions and personal preferences. Risk management features. Galileo includes risk management tools, helping you to set limits on your trades to minimize potential losses. Cons. However, there are some cons to consider. Market risks. While automation can save time, it doesn't eliminate risk. Market conditions can change rapidly, and automated systems may not always react optimally. Dependence on algorithms. The performance of Galileo FX relies heavily on the algorithms it uses. If the algorithms are not well designed, it could lead to losses. Limited support for certain markets. Depending on the broker you use, Galileo FX may have limitations regarding the markets or assets you can trade. Conclusion. In conclusion, Galileo FX offers a robust solution for those looking to automate their trading experience. Its user-friendly interface, customizable strategies, and real-time data analysis are significant advantages, especially for beginners or busy traders. However, it's crucial to remain aware of the risks involved with automated trading and to continuously monitor your strategies. If you're considering trying out Galileo FX, it might be worth exploring, especially if you're looking for a way to save time and enhance your trading strategies. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more trading insights and app reviews. If you've used Galileo FX, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.